Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how you can set a time limit on your Google Forms. This function comes in very useful when you are making a quiz or another type of contest. So for that, open your browser and go to My Drive. In the My Drive, a new button shall be there. Click it and then open a new Google form. I have made a sample form to explain you everything. So, to set time limits, you need add-ons. You can download add-ons by pressing the three buttons and going on the add-ons option. This shall redirect you to the G Suite marketplace from which you have to download two add-ons. The two are email notifications for Google Forms and form limiter. These two are very useful when you are setting time limits. So I shall explain them to you one by one. First, after downloading form limiter, click on it. Click the set limit button. And this shall open up. On the limit type, you can select either date and time or number of form responses. Date and time comes in useful during quizzes, and number of form responses comes in useful when you have made an open contest and you announce the first n number of entries shall be accepted. For now, we'll click on the date and time button and this shall open up. You can set a stop form accepting form responses date. You select the date and select the time and the form shall close at that time. The disadvantage with it is that you cannot set a start time. You can only set an end time. So if you want to start the form at 6 pm and want to end it at 8:30 pm, you can't do it. You can only set the end time. But there is even a solution for this. In the second add-on which I told you, the email notifications for Google Forms, you will see many options, but the option we are looking for is limit Google Form responses. Click on it and a page will open up. Over here, you can set a start date and time and an end date and time. Or if you don't know the time, you can set turn off after dash entries. Also, you can enable the form every day. For example, this form can be enabled for every Monday, every weekday, every day of the week, and etc. So these were the two very good ways how you could set time limits on your Google form. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.